Okay, so dito naman tayo ngayon sa brush tool. Brush tool, dito rin siya sa side panel. So you can just click the letter B to pull out that tool. Okay? So ngayon, I'm just gonna add light to her face. At ganun din para matakpan yung mga ibang dark areas na hindi kailangan para mas magmukhang smooth yung face niya. To do that, I'm gonna add one layer and then I'm gonna make sure na yung kulay na ipapatong ko sa face niya ay kulay na galing din sa face. Like, I'm gonna choose the midtones para mas madali. To do that, I'm gonna click letter I to choose the eyedropper. There, that's letter I. And then, click on the area na gusto kong kulay. So, I like this midtone area dito. So, see, nagbago yung kulay dito sa ating foreground color. So, that color ngayon ang ating i-apply para ma-lighten up yung face ng ating image. So, I click brush tool and then I went to the added layer. Then I can start brushing around, but first I have to make sure that I'm on the correct opacity. So gusto ko nasa 75 lang ako para hindi masyadong strong yung i-apply kong kulay. Okay? So you can do this ng konti-konti or you can just cover up lahat ng areas ng face niya. So this is like applying powder to your face. Diba? So, i-apply mo lahat sa area ng face mo dahil gusto nating i-cover yung mga dark areas na ayaw nating umabas. Okay? So, see, masyadong makapal yan, of course, obviously. Now, to even out the color, we will lower down the opacity here. So I think you can go down to 30 or maybe tingnan natin kung pwede 30 na, 30 or kapal na yun. So let's go down to 30. There. So yan yung before, yan yung after. Siguro kapalan pa natin. Gawin natin 35. Okay? Now, kung gusto nating bawasan yung mga areas na sobra, gamitin lang natin yung erase tool. And make sure your erase tool ay gumagamit din ng soft round brush. Okay? By right-clicking. So when you click the erase tool, mag-right-click lang tayo dito. And then make sure na pinili mo yung soft brush. And then you can erase the areas na you think sobra. Like sa lips or outside your image. Okay? So that's for the brush tool and adding light to your face or to the face of your image.